Introducing MoistureTech, the cutting-edge flooring prep solution for conquering moisture challenges. This two-part epoxy formula is engineered to handle extreme conditions, boasting compatibility with 100% relative humidity, less than 25 mVer, and less than 25 pH levels. With a generous 40-minute open time, MoistureTech offers ample opportunity for application, ensuring precision and efficiency. Install flooring just 24 hours after concrete is poured, streamlining your project timeline. Each 4-gallon kit covers an impressive 400 square feet, providing ample coverage for large areas. Plus, MoistureTech cures in 6 to 8 hours, depending on ambient temperature and humidity, offering rapid turnaround times. Experience the journey to moisture-free flooring with MoistureTech, where reliability, efficiency, and performance meet. Choose MoistureTech for a solid foundation and seamless flooring installations.